guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot my microphone at work, so hopefully the audio sounds okay and the wind's not annoying, and my hair looks like crap, so I'm wearing a hat, so hopefully I don't have like a weird shadow on my face. So let's get into the video. So like I mentioned in previous videos, I'm leaving for Wyoming for our annual dig trip, actually in like 4 days, which is really exciting. And I asked you guys on my Instagram if y'all would be interested in me doing a pack with me, like pack my dig bag with me, which is this video obviously. And so I'm basically just going to be showing you like my dig supplies and how I prepare for like a dig trip. If you guys are interested in me making like a hiking fashion kind of video, let me know. I think it'd be kind of cool for me to show you the kind of clothes that I wear when I'm hiking and digging in different seasons and all that kind of stuff. So if that's something that y'all would be interested in, leave them in the comments below. So yeah, let's see if I can see this. I changed my backpack. If y'all saw my what's in my dig bag video, I had a backpack I got from Lowe's and I decided to get a new backpack, and this is the rucksack from WYOMING. This is what it looks like. I think what sold me on is, one, it's bigger, so I have more space for fossils, but as you can see here, I have a little compartment for a reservoir, I think that's whatever. So yeah, that kind of sold me on it. So I guess let's get started. So I think first I'm just gonna open this up and show you what I already have in here. Okay, so this is the Camelback reservoir, and I've been needing one of these. I think this one's the 40 liter, I believe so. This was the biggest one they had. So yeah, so the first thing I'm going to show you is this toolkit that I got from Duluth, and this is like amazing for a paleontologist. So it has like a bunch of picks, hopefully that's focused, bunch of dental picks and things, and then tweezers, which is so hard for me to find pointed nose tweezers like this, because those are great for gluing like really small cracks and things like that. Second thing I'm bringing is I like a bunch of carabiners and these brushes from Lowe's. These are the best brushes ever if you're a paleontologist or archaeologist or just geologist. Like, these picks are like really dense and really soft like that. And there's a couple other things that I'm bringing that I don't have with me. For example, I got a 40-ounce hydro flask. So if I run out of water in my Camelback, I will have a backup water bottle. And I'm going to be bringing rigid wrap, which is pre-plastered burlap strap. So we find something really fragile out while we're hiking, we can easily plaster it real quick, and the hydro flask will be really great. So you have to have water for that. So those are two things I don't have with me that I'm bringing. I have one of these rock hammer holders, and I just like zip tied it on the side, and then rock hammer. This is an S-Swing rock hammer, but I also just got like a GeoTools rock hammer, which is really great too. Okay, the next thing I got that I'm gonna be keeping in this back pouch here, boyfriend actually got me a cover for my dig book. I have a Sokia dig book, essentially for my field notes and things like that, and I like it because I have a little thing where I can put my pen. What I have is a waterproof phone case thing. It has like a little lanyard so it can hang around my neck. And I'm also getting a Pelican phone case for my phone, and so if it's raining or whatever, I can just throw my phone in this, put it around my neck so it doesn't get wet. Next thing, super glue. Not specifically this super glue because it's like really thick, but just super glue in general. Bringing the glue specimens, pocket knife. You gotta have a pocket knife. I've noticed that ever since when I don't carry a pocket knife, I realize like how much I actually use one. Hey guys, sorry, my camera decided to stop recording. So I'm not sure where I left off of. Bring protein bars or Cliff Bars because we're gonna be out there from like morning to like 4 o'clock ish, so we're basically on our own for lunch. So these are really, really handy, and I like that this backpack has like this little pocket up here so I can like stick all my like snacks in there. So next thing I'm gonna be bringing is foil and Ziploc bags to wrap specimens. And the foil is like our #1 thing we use because it helps protect them so they don't get damaged during transport. Is this knife I have that I'm going to be using for digging, and thing I don't really have. I showed you the little mini picks that I have in that set with the tweezers, but I'll also be bringing ice picks for digging too. Okay, so next thing I'm going to be bringing is compass. Pretty self-explanatory what a compass is used for, but also when we find specimens we have to figure out what direction that they are facing, all that kind of stuff. Thing is I think that fingerless gloves are extremely important. One, it makes your hiking experience more enjoyable, but honestly it could help save your life, just like hiking boots, because it helps prevent you from cutting yourself, or if you're going up a steep hill and you need to brace your hand on something, it doesn't hurt as bad, and it just makes it a lot easier for you to get where you're going. So yeah, highly recommend. These are Black Diamond gloves. I had a pair last year and they were really great. But also have I've bought in pairs. Oh my god, these birds. I've also gotten fingerless gloves from Lowe's and Home Depot, and they're great too. A Black Diamond headlamp, because we're going to be digging Green River, and a lot of the digging that we do in Green River is at nighttime, because it helps us see shadows and see things that we couldn't see during the daytime. So a good headlamp is awesome. And then also I'm going to be bringing a flashlight too, which I don't have on me. Okay, so second to last thing is hiking boots. Every year I buy a new pair of hiking boots before I go on a trip like this, because after Wyoming I'm still wearing the boots for another year and the tread's more worn down, and they're fine for like hiking in Texas and stuff because where I live is not super like crazy hiking. And plus in Wyoming it's a lot more rugged and you need good tread. So these are the pair that I bought last year. They're Voss, I don't know how you pronounce it. You can see the tread's worn down quite a bit. But these are freaking awesome, best shoes ever. They haven't really came out with any new colors, and I didn't really want to buy the same pair. So I decided to try a new brand that was like highly recommended, and it's Loa's. I think these are the Renegade ones, but I thought these were like really unique and cool because they have like black soles, and these are really great. And one thing you want to remember is obviously look for really, really good tread. I highly recommend spending a little extra money and investing in a good pair of hiking boots, because they can ultimately like save your life out while you're hiking. And you want to make sure that they're really tight in the ankles, because if there's wiggle room around your ankles, there's a higher chance that you can break your ankle. So those are two things that are really important. And then the last thing is a good pair of hiking socks. I like the Smart Wools, but I just got the Merrells. They're the Crew Cool Max Eco-Made Fiber lightweight socks. These are good for winter. Smart Wool and Merrell also make winter socks too. So yeah, that is everything. Hope you like this video. If you want me to make more videos like this, let me know. I'm going to be documenting everything on my TikTok channel and my Instagram, and I have those linked on my account. So I'm going to be posting while I'm there, and I'm going to be doing a travel diary of this trip and collabing with a bunch of my paleontologist friends who are going on the trip with me. So if you don't want to wait until the travel video comes out on my YouTube channel until I get back, make sure to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok to keep updated of what I'm doing and what kind of things we're finding. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.